I'm here preaching man R&B, and this is another episode of Ritual and Comments. It's time to do another episode of movie reviews. It's time to review Nosferatu. And Nosferatu, I tried to get into this movie, I really did, but because I love vampires and I love werewolves and stuff like that. But this movie was just too weird for me. It has an old vampire on there that is pretty much a pervert because he tries to get with this younger woman and he's trying to seduce her throughout the whole movie, and it's just weird and nasty, and I didn't want to have nothing to do with it. This movie just wasn't for me. It messed up. Nosferatu, I don't like you as a vampire. You just stay over there somewhere. But that is my thoughts of Nosferatu because this movie was rough. As always, Rob Burnham, here, Preacher Man R&B signing out. Guys, GG is awesome. See y'all next time.